It's like this, man. You can look in the mirror and say, you know what? I got this. No matter what comes my way, I got this. I'm going to handle it. And you can also say, you know what? It's a wrap, man. I can't do it no more. It's too much for me. I'm throwing in the towel. And the reality is, with that first option, you're going to drive yourself. You're going to motivate yourself a little bit through the ups, the downs, the failures and all. You're going to keep trying. And maybe one day you may have everything you ever hoped for. But with that second option, rest assured, it's never going to happen, man. It's over. It's a wrap. Call it quits. It's over. So I say, you want something bad enough, you never give up. You never give up. You never throw in the towel no matter what. You keep on grinding.